I reckon 2-1 to Wolves. They'll score late minute one.
There's two things that we really need to fix. The main one is our passing. Another one is our shooting. What's up guys, we are here at St Mary's Stadium ready to go watch Southampton taking on Wolverhampton Wanderers. It's going to be a very, very big game for us. Even though we have the slimmest chance of staying up, we need to get as many points as we can so we don't beat Derby's record. So yeah, it's a massive game. It's a must win for the Saints if they want to have any hope of not beating that record. Before we get into the vlog guys, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 250 subscribers. Also, if you're not already following me on my social media accounts, please do so. I post regular content each day. So if you aren't already following my social media accounts, then do drop me a follow if you want to see some regular content. And yeah, let's head on in and start the match. Alright guys, I'm with Alfie. How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
Awesome. What's your score prediction?
I reckon 2-1 to Wolves. They'll score late minute one.
2-1 Wolves.
Yeah.
Who scores your one goal for Saints?
I reckon Sulemana assists someone, but I'm not gonna know who. I reckon one of the midfielders, but I don't know any guesses.
I like that.
Yeah.
Who's been your favourite player this season?
Season. FA Cup, definitely Diblin, but Prem Armstrong, definitely. He's done some good things, definitely, yeah.
Awesome, thank you very much. Last time here at St Mary's, Southampton 0, Wolves 1. To be fair, the game's been quite even. Again, Southampton still making their own mistakes. The goal came from a cross into the box. The marking was atrocious. Basically, Taylor Holbears went to jump up, try and stop the cross. Olabella Kotchap was nowhere to be seen. He just stood there, and Walker Peters obviously he can't do it all on his own, can he? And so it was basically a free header into the bottom corner. But yeah, it's going really bad at the moment. But hopefully the Saints turn up in the second half. I know I keep saying that, and we never do. But hopefully I'm proving wrong today. Yeah, currently Saints 0, Wolves 1.
Like that.
No, we don't. What?
No, even Wolverhampton Peters.
Why Fernandez?
Full time, Southampton 1, Wolves 2. Bit of a painful defeat that one because we were quite good second half. We dominated the ball, but there's two things that we really need to fix. The main one is our passing. Our passing is terrible. Half the time we either kick the ball too hard and it goes off the field, or we pass it too soft and we give it straight to the opposition. So our passing definitely needs working on. Another one is our shooting, because obviously almost every time we go to shoot for the goal, it either goes over the goal or straight to the keeper. And whenever we do have a good opportunity to shoot on the goal from outside the box, we never do it. So yeah, so two main things to fix are passing and our shooting. Yeah, again, painful defeat that one because we played well second half. Yeah, at the end of the day, it's the results that matter. And at the end of the day, we come home with nothing. Wolves go home with all 3 points. Fair play to the Wolves fans. They were really loud today. Quite a good atmosphere from them. Yeah, it was a real good opportunity to witness Wolves at the stadium for my very first time. So yeah, it was a pretty pretty good experience for me, even though we lost, and it's a real bummer that we lost. I really enjoyed the atmosphere. So yeah, fair play to the Wolves fans. You gave it your all. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this matchday vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also reminder to follow me on all my social medias. The links will be in the description down below. And yeah, I'll see you all later. Goodbye, guys.